Today is our Discover Your Drive event. This is actually our second annual event, and we put this event together for San Diego Unified students. We have as young as freshmen up to high school seniors that are here today to learn about our transportation programs that we offer at Miramar College. Throughout the day, the students are going through demonstrations in the auto, aviation, and diesel labs. They're learning about the various certificates and degrees we offer.
If you're getting into this career, you need to be mechanically inclined. If you got it, you got it. I mean, and if you do have it, you need to focus on the certifications and what you have to write down on a piece of paper to show somebody, this is what I have. That is probably the most important thing now. So if you have the ability and the certifications, you are going to be valuable.
What I enjoy is taking apart things, learning more about each component inside each part of the car. I just want to learn about cars.
I'm just always like working on cars. I always worked with my dad out in the garage and stuff since I was a little kid, and it was just something that always interested me. I felt like it was a great path for me to get into.
It's a step outside the classroom. It gives them that real life lens and exposure and allows them to have conversations with those in the industry and fields.
We have many employers here today who are also alumni, and some of them are even our adjunct faculty. And we're really proud that our career education programs at Miramar College are aligned with industry.
In the middle of my last semester teaching here, American Honda did call and said they had a position open, and with the skill set that Miramar College provided me with the education and with teaching here, I was actually a shoo-in for the job at American Honda. At that time, I was hired as a technical trainer.
When I came here, it was a different type of learning. Obviously, you get the textbook stuff and you get the hands-on stuff. I can't tell you how many days I would stay here till like midnight working on cars because it really inspired me. So when I got to my dealership as a young man, I got more opportunities.
Even though students might not be considering programs like aviation, diesel, and automotive as a freshman in high school, we want them to know that programs offered at community colleges offer a unique hands-on opportunity for a student to get the workforce preparation they need, and that's something that we're really proud of at Miramar College.